Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer. So today our reading is going to be different. I'll be keeping 3 cards face down, guys, and I'll be revealing 1 card at a time. So this is the card for your past energy, whatever was there yesterday, and this is the card for your present, whatever you need to do and whatever you need to focus today, guys. And this will be for your future, what will be the outcome or what you need to do tomorrow. So we'll open 1 card at a time, guys. So for the past first, it's an angel card. Cancers, with this card, the energy is that maybe for some of you all, you would have faced some kind of disputes or something that needs solving, some kind of conflicts in your past. Some judgments need to be done, maybe some legal matters. You would have been involved in some legal matters that needed assistance, you needed assistance, okay? So that may be your past. So what you should have done is you should have maintained that harmony, guys, in your situation. So you need to have that clarity of thought, and you should have seen it without your emotions blocking you. So when you do that, when you see a situation without emotions blocking you and with clarity of thought, you automatically get the right course of action in any particular situation. So that is what is coming for your past energy, what happened already in your life. You should have clarity of thought to overcome that, what was there. That is the angel's guidance for your past. So what is your present today? What is coming for today, guys? Compassion. So for today, the angel's guidance is that we need to recognize and often share and respond to the suffering of others in our situation. So whoever people are there, friends, family, or this person whom we love, compassion is the key, guys. Compassion is just being empathetic, genuinely feeling the need to help others who are there in our life. We should not shut ourselves off seeing the suffering of others, feeling fearful and helpless what to do, and we should not think that we won't be able to help them in any way, and we may not be able to assist them in any way. Even a small action, maybe a hug, maybe listening to their sorrow, giving them a warm smile, something, a shoulder to cry on, even a small thing will go in a long way in helping people, guys. So that is what is the energy for today for you all, Cancers. So maybe this person of yours, they may need your hug, or they may need you to listen to them, or they may want you to console them in certain things, and they do not want you to judge them. So that is what they feel about you today, or this is what the angels are guiding you to do today, guys, to go towards that path of healing in your life from your past and your present day, and to heal together with this person. So that is the energy for this card. So let us see what is for your future. Be free. For your future, be free is the energy, guys. So you need to have that emotional, mental and spiritual freedom. So we should not feel fear when we want to express ourselves. In our life, we are always conditioned, and we control and impose so many rules on us, the way we behave, the way we talk, and even the way we express. So when we have that control over how we express, we often do not allow ourselves to speak the truth. So sometimes in life we have to honor what is there in our heart, and we should be able to live that fully, guys. So when we do that, when we live our life fully with that truth coming out through our activities and through what we speak and how we express, so when we do that without fear or shame, we empower others also to be that same, be that truthful, be that genuine from your heart. So they will see you and they will also be like that. So that is what is the angel's guidance for your future. So you need to have that free will and self-determination to have that freedom to express however you feel, and freedom to express truth in your actions. So whatever you think, you have to bring out in your actions. So that is the angel's guidance for your future, Cancer. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please comment below. Thank you. Bye. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading, guys.